So hi, my name is Mudit and I'm a final year PhD student at University of Zurich with Lucio Mayer. And I work on different aspects of gravitational wave astrophysics, especially in the context of this recently adopted mission LISA. And I'm interested in using LISA observable gravitational wave to understand and characterize the environment which helps or assists massive black hole binaries, which are a byproduct of galaxy mergers, to merge within Hubble time, because in our community there is a problem of final parsec problem, and we need some kind of environment like gas or stars to bring this black hole close enough so that gravitational wave becomes strong enough and merge them in our universe lifetime. So I think before LISA, I'm more interested in gravitational wave because until in last thousands of years we only used to observe universe by photons, like how so that we can see them by eyes or telescope. But since like last 10 years, like Einstein predicted gravitational wave 100 years ago, and only 50 years ago we convinced ourselves they are real. But only last year we are able to detect directly. And one of the amazing properties of gravitational wave is that they can carry almost 99% information from their source to us. That means if we are able to observe them and able to understand them, then we can make the map of the universe and understand how the processes work. Because I was interested in also astrophysics, like how the universe works. So it was LISA was a natural consequence of that. Like so, the current detectors they are great, but they can only observe things very close to merger. That means we know the black hole mass and mass ratio and other things, but we don't know from where they are coming on. This is one of the hot research topic. But with LISA, we can observe these sources for many years, and because of many years, there will be many cycles. And we hope that using that we can reconstruct not only the source properties like black hole properties, binary properties, but also environment in which they are coming from. So that's why it was a natural consequence to work on LISA. And because I'm interested in astrophysics, so it was a natural place to come to here to understand what's going on in our community, because people are working on so many diverse and amazing topics. So yes, so like it was a very natural thing to just come here and talk to people. I think I really like the format of 10 minutes talk on diverse topics. So basically, because a lot of us know the basics, but we don't know what people are working on. So sometimes we are all engrossed in our research and we are doing all amazing research, but we don't know what other person is working on. So it's always good to come here, listen to talks, ask questions, meet experts, which you only see in some author list. And so that's why I really like the 10-minute talk format, and that we are covering all the topics which are interesting to all of us. One thing I would like to improve, if possible, is that we should have dedicated discussion sessions, because I think that talks are nice, but at some point, because we can only ask 1 or 2 questions, and there are so many people who want to ask questions, maybe some 1 hour, 2 hours topical discussion session will be nice, so that we can summarize the day, understand what's going on, ask some questions we couldn't ask before, and so that was one thing I will improve. But overall, it's an amazing setup and meeting. All sciences have a period in which they go up and down, and right now, at least for next 20 years, gravitational wave are the one which will further science in many fields. Like we have people working on cosmology, people working on particle physics, and they all understand that gravitational wave can be a tool to also further their science, because these waves can be detected up to like few 100,000 years after the Big Bang. So basically, you can learn a lot about the universe, but you can also learn a lot about what is happening just next to the black hole horizon. So I think it's an exciting time to come to this field. And if your motivation is to learn science, but also do some hardcore data analysis or some hardcore modeling, then gravitational wave is the field for you.